verse 110. This is a very important verse. It's actually a foundational point for all Krishna bhakti and all Krishna consciousness. The foundational point for our entire bhajan lives as Krishna devotees aspiring for Krishna prema. This is in Madhya Lila chapter 21, verse 110. Mahaprabhu said, Madhurya Bhagavat Dasar Vrajakaili Parachar Taha Shuka Vyasera Nandan Stane Stane Bhagavate Varni Jache Janaite Tahashuni Mate Bhaktagan. This is a very important verse. You'll see your Gurudev quotes this often, at least one line, because this is the essence of Raganuga Bhakti. Everyone says we're worshipping Krishna, the Lord Chaitanya and the gopis, and the Raganuga Bhaktas that are following the footsteps of the gopis say we're not worshipping Krishna, we're worshipping the Madhurya, the sweetness within Krishna. Madhurya Bhagavat Dasara. So we worship the sweetness of Krishna. Sweetness gives the greatest happiness. There's so many types of foodstuffs. But when we eat sweets, then we feel most happy. Food fills our belly. Sweets make us smile.